Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, system specs, OS updates, and disk space. Next, update your GPU drivers and run both Steam and Euro Truck Simulator 2 as administrator so permission issues are ruled out. Once done, disable overlays, Steam, Discord, antivirus real-time protection, and any third-party mods or launchers. These often cause immediate crashes. Doing these first narrows down the cause rapidly, so you can reproduce the error without extra variables and proceed to targeted fixes. Now you perform deeper diagnostics to locate the fault. Verify game integrity in Steam to repair corrupted files, and if crashes persist, delete the Euro Truck Simulator 2. CFG and the GPU shader cache so ETS2 rebuilds clean settings. Check Windows Event Viewer and the game's crash logs to identify specific modules failing, and run System File Checker, SFC/Scano, to fix OS file issues. Make sure to reproduce the crash after each change so you know which actions solved the problem. Finish by reinstalling Euro Truck Simulator 2 if prior steps didn't help. Remove leftover folders in Documents and App Data to ensure a truly clean install. Then test using a default profile, lower graphics settings, and a fresh save to exclude corrupt saves or custom assets. If it still fails, collect the crash dump and relevant logs, note driver versions and steps taken, and contact support or the mod author. One key tip: try a different GPU driver version. Newest isn't always most stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.